Ding, ding. What do you guys want to turn on the radio?
Sure.
Alright. Yeah.
Turn it on. Hurry up.
Missing kids, guys. They escaped from school, and if you see them, they're in a yellow car. And if you see them pass by, then call 911.
Do you guys think that's us?
Oh my God.
Because he said a yellow car, and we have a yellow car.
And we're kids, and they said three kids.
Oh, here comes next up.
Oh yeah, and they have black tires and a blue steering wheel. And there's 3 kids.
Okay, yeah.
And they have a chef hat and like a chef clothes, and there's a Batman green guy and with the Batman sign, and there's a guy with the fireman.
I'm wearing the costume, yeah, and you're kind of like a rip-off version of Batman, but oh my God, dude, it's the police. There's a wall, dude. Stop! The cops are coming!
Oh shoot! Are you guys okay? Oh snap! I think they're dead. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. Bye.